It is officially cookout season this summer, and I'm going to show you how to make simple homemade burger buns. In a large bowl, preferably one of a stand mixer, take 2 cups of warm water, half a cup of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of active dry yeast, and whisk that all together to make sure that all of the yeast is coated. I'm just going to use the dough hook so that I have less dishes. Let that sit for 5 minutes until it gets nice and foamy like this. Now you're going to add a 1/4 cup of oil, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and then I'm going to start us out with just 2 cups of flour, but as you start mixing it, you'll add 1 more cup of flour at a time until you reach 5 to 6 cups. So I'm going to get this going on our stand mixer just on a low-medium speed. You don't want to fling flour everywhere. And then as it starts getting incorporated, add another cup of flour. And then once that starts getting incorporated, add another. But you just don't want to surpass that 5 to 6 cup mark. I ended up doing a total of 5.5 cups. And you'll know that you're done adding flour when the dough starts pulling away like this. Then once it starts doing that, let it sit kneading for 5 minutes. And then once that's done, take your dough hook off, spray the bowl with some oil to coat, and then pull all the dough out just to shape it into a ball and kind of turn it into that oil so that as it grows, it doesn't stick to the side of the bowl. Then cover it. You can use saran wrap or a towel like me and put it in a warm place, which for me is the oven with the oven light on, and let it sit for 1 hour. And it should double in size in that time. After that, take it out of the oven and you're going to start punching down your dough. That's the fun part. And then you can get a kitchen scale. This is optional, but if you want like perfectly sized rolls, you can weigh out the dough and just to make sure that they're all the same size. If you don't care and don't want to do that and don't have a kitchen scale, that is totally fine. It will all turn out basically the same. But if you do choose to weigh it, then divide that big number into 16 because that's how many rolls this makes. Then shape your hand like a cup and roll the dough out on the table like this, and that'll help to shape it. Now let these sit for another hour in a warm place and then preheat your oven to 350 degrees and we're ready to bake. Pop those back in the oven to bake for 20 minutes or until golden brown. Every oven is different and you will get the best homemade burger buns. You will never go back to store